In this video, I am going to show you how to create a Weebly account and how to create a blog post. You will be creating blog posts to complete your weekly lab evaluations where you will answer 7 questions based on 5 recipes that you prepare. So first you'll go to Google Chrome and you'll type in new Weebly account. You'll go here, create a website with Weebly. You'll hit get started. And you'll put all your information in. You'll hit I agree. You'll hit continue. Might just take a bit of time to load. So we're just going to hit this try Weebly websites. So now it wants you to select a theme. I'm going to choose this theme under the blog tab. And it says start editing, so that's what we're going to do. It's going to take a second to load. And you're going to select a domain name, so mine's just going to be Miss Clary's blog. Search that, see if that's available to use. And then the .com version, and down here it says these ones are, this is a free one, so we're going to choose this one. Then we're going to hit done. And you're going to select pages and you're going to hit this plus button. You're going to click blog page. You're going to title the blog, so this will be lab evaluation 1 is what I would call it. Okay, done. You can move these around however you want the order to appear. So then you'll click new post. You'll title this lab evaluation 1. Cooked milk dish, and then you can drag the text box. You type here, so this is where you would answer your 7 questions. So the first one is like, what went well? And then you would answer that in 2 to 3 sentences. For all of these questions, I would like you to answer them in 2 to 3 sentences, just so you're giving enough detail. Then one of the things is to add an image, one of the requirements, so you would just drag this image button over and you can upload the image right from your computer. So then when you're done your blog post and you've answered all the 7 questions that are located in the assignment page on the course website, you'll hit post, and you'll hit close. So there's your post, then you'll hit publish. And so your website has been published, so that's good. So then you'll go back so it's published. So then you can copy and paste this URL and send it to me by email, so then I will have access to your blog. So instead of sending me the link right here to the editor page, you actually want to go back. You hit this X button and it will take you back to the main page, and you'll hit your site here, and then this is the link that you'll copy and paste. So whatever your domain name was is what the link is that you should copy and paste and send me an email. Sorry for the confusion.